Alright, y'all, this is E at JTech. I'm going to show you guys how to use a scan tool to diagnose the ABS sensor and speed sensor. Alright, first thing you want to do, get your ABS sensor and everything else together. You want to put that into the data link connector at the bottom or at the underneath the steering column here. And then once you do that, you want to turn the car on and get this scan tool hooked up. Alright, I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so now we got our scan tool hooked up. The car is on. Scan tool is hooked up. It is on. The data link connector is right there underneath the steering column. That's where it usually is. And then what you want to do is you want to hit diagnose and you want to hit scan in the car so you can actually see what kind of car this is. It is a Ford 2011 Ford Fusion Hybrid. You're going to hit OK. And then after you hit OK, it's going to ask you again to search for the kind of vehicle we're in. We're going to search for the car that we're in. It's going to do some searching, and try to figure out what kind of car this is, even though I already told you what kind of car it is. Alright, communication's good. Hit automatic, but usually you want to hit manual. This thing was kind of acting funny, so it ended up hitting automatic. It's going to take a while. So, sit here for a minute. Okay, so now that it actually has gone through its own little automatic thing, we are checking the anti-lock brake system, which is our ABS system. We're going to check it, hit diagnose the process. Yep, I'll just press the button. It's going to take a little bit. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to read the fault data on this vehicle. Hit read the fault data. And now you want to do it on the key on ignition off, demand, self-test. We have no codes for the ABS in this car, so everything else is good as far as the ABS sensor goes. So with that being said, we're gonna go and diagnose the wheel speed sensor, and we are gonna do that with the oscilloscope here soon. So stay tuned, be right back. So we've hooked up the alligator clips on the speed sensor. I know it's hard to see because it's dark in there, but alright, so we got that, and going down to our DVOM, if it'll sync up. Well, it's 0.12, yeah, 1.12, I mean 1.2, excuse me. Resistance, we're going to compare the spec, 0.9 to 1.20 for the Ford Fusion. Hey, it's E, and we are at the wheel sensor at the left front of the car, and I am going to show you how to use the oscilloscope to test the speed on the vehicle. Well, not the speed, the frequency, I should say, on the vehicle. And we're going to go do that right now. First, you turn it on, and I already have it set up here, so we don't have to go through all that. It's set up. You go to 4-channel oscilloscope. Right now we're on channel 1. Actually, we need to go back. 4-channel, channel 1. That's what we want, channel 1. I don't know if you've seen that already. We're at 20 milliseconds at 0.10 volts, and we're gonna spin the tire, and I'm gonna show you how that's done right here shortly. Alright, I'm gonna touch the leads into the speed sensor, and you can spin the wheel. I'm not getting a reading. It's at 1 off. 1 back up. Can you spin it faster? Yep, there we go. We got some spikes.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. There we go.
Come on, get right down.
There we go. All right, you good?